Hi guys, welcome to Computer Buddy. Myself Akhilesh, and in this video I am going to show you how to read the deleted message from WhatsApp. So for that you have to install an application, go to Play Store and search for Notisave and install this application. This is available in Play Store. Link is given in description. Open this app. So now, okay, click on allow. Here also, enable it, allow. Okay, allow. Okay. So if you want to save the notification of WhatsApp only, so keep the WhatsApp on here. Keep other application off because notification of other application will be saved here. Okay. Confirm. Okay. Now it is here. I'm going to send a message from my friend's WhatsApp account to my WhatsApp account, and I'm going to delete that. Yeah, message is here, and I'm going to delete this message. Yes, it is deleted now. So now I'm going to open this Notisave application. Yes, it is opening now. Yeah, here it is the messages, chats that you can see here. Open that. Here I'm opening this, so you can see here the deleted messages. So thanks for watching my video. Please do support by subscribing my channel. Thank you.